me.
Where'd you find that little birdie?
Put it down. I want to find it, Mom. You got it. That's interesting.
What have you got there? What's that? You don't take it in your house.
Jasper.
You don't take it in your house. I know it's fun because you're a doggy. I know you look with big sad eyes.
Jasper.
But you can't do it. You're not allowed to these days.
That's fine. Let's get another one. You want one too, darling? Come on. You come and get one too. Jasper.
Someone will take my bird.
Jasper.
Come on. Jasper. Oh, quick.
Why is it in there? Have you took it in there?
Put it. Can you just get?
Oh, thank you, everybody.
He can't find his bird. Not happy.
Poor Jasper.